Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys in this tutorial exactly what you need to do in order to get virtually unlimited chaturbate tokens without you needing to pay for it. It is directly approved by Chaturbate. So let me clarify, this is not a hack, this is not an exploit. Chaturbate will still get paid real money for these tokens, for the allocations of these credits. So basically the way it works, you are going to watch a video ads or something along those lines just for a couple of minutes, and then they will add a fairly significant amount of money in your chaturbate account, which converts to tokens. So for example, I was able to receive $100 credits for basically watching 4 minutes worth of video ads on this website, and it works anywhere in the world. So I'm gonna show you guys in this tutorial how you can sign up, how to use it, and it is really easy. And this level of advertisement made for Chaturbate just got released this year, I believe. It is 100% legit, it does not break any rules, and it is in fact pre-approved and partnership with Chaturbate. So guys, if you are interested in this video and you know you are going to use it, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Okay guys, the first step is to go to the website I'm showing right now. Here, you will be able to get virtually unlimited Chaturbate tokens. The only requirement is to qualify first, but don't worry guys, it is really easy and it takes only 2 minutes or less. Just answer the questions and you will be ready to go. Okay guys, hope you have enjoyed our video. This is especially for people who loves Chaturbate and want to get free premium content and have fun on this site. If you want me to check more sites like this, let me know in the comments. If you like this type of content, if you like the video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps with this content. And guys, have a great day and enjoy this freebie.